Good Saturday, Talmore Group. I am bringing you top tip number 2 to starting a new exercise routine. Begin with 3 30-minute sessions a week to pace yourself. When we get excited about starting a new routine, we want to go full steam ahead. We want to jump both feet in, and there's no grand show of heroics by taking that strategy. If you're just starting a workout program, don't overcommit and don't overperform. Try starting 3 days per week, scheduled into your week just like you would a doctor's appointment. If you decide to hold yourself accountable by taking a group class at your local gym, then commit to the first half. After 30 minutes, leave. If you decide to walk around the neighborhood, allocate 30 minutes to taking a nice, brisk walk at your pace. Or decide to commit to 20 to 30 minutes of a simple, in-home, at-home exercise routine that you know that you can accomplish. What's most important is that you want to make sure you're working yourself into shape safely and effectively. Then, after 4 weeks or so, try adding another 30 minutes every other week. Once you see how much easier it is from transitioning and these small, incremental additions, from now all the way through summer, you're definitely going to be the beneficiary of these results. And it started with 3 small sessions a week. You'll be surprised how empowered you feel. Results begin when you do.
I ain't playing around. Make one false move, I take you down. Get back.